otu nwoke efurole ntutu isi ya wee taa sị na ọ ga-ewere okpiri wee kụgbuo nwa okorobịa na-agba ntụ ajụjụ ọnụ ma ọ bụ ma ọ gwa ya na ya nọdụ n'ala a na-akpọ Biafra. Gịnị ka nwa okorobịa mere ejichi were okpiri wee kụpuo ya isi? O kwuru sị ọ jiri Mazi a ajụjụ sị ị bụ onye ebe? Mazi a wee gwa ya na ya bụ onye Biafra ana ya nọ n'ala Biafra ete a na-ekwu okwu. Ka ebe ha nọ na-ekwu okwu bụ ihe butere ka e were okpiri wee kụwa nwa okorobịa isi. Ọ bụ n'ebe a na-akpọ Port Harcourt, ya wụ Igwe Ọcha. Mgbe ọ gwara nwa okorobịa na-agba ntụ ajụjụ ọnụ na ya nọ n'ala Biafra, nwa okorobịa jụkwa ya ha ọzọ. Mazi a wee wee iwe wee tie mkpu n'oke olu gwa ya sị ọ bụrụ na ị jụọ m ajụjụ ọzọ m ga-ewere ọkpọ wee kụpụ gị ofu eze. Nwa okorobịa wee mata dat na agwọ abanyere n'akịrịka. O were obere wee gbaa ntente ọsọ. Ihe m ji na-ewetara nụ akụkọ bụ ka ịnụ na ekwu okwu gbasara Biafra, ịfụ na ndị ụmụnne anyị ndị nọ na ofe mmiri, ndị nke nọkwa na-akpọ Rivers steeti, ha hụrụ ihe gbasara Biafra n'anya nke ukwuu wee karịsịa. Bọtụ ọ bụrụ na ndị na-achụ ha bụ ndị gọọmenti pụtakwuo okwu, ọ dịka ma ọ bụ na ha afụrụ Biafra n'anya. M ga-ahapụga gị ka ikirie ihe onyonyo anọ ka ịfụ ihe Mazi a gwara nwa okorobịa na-agba ntụ ajụjụ ọnụ. O zigakwara ya ozi ka o zie onye isi ntọala ndị Naịjirịa nke bụ Bola Ahmed Tinubu na ọ gwa ya ka ha tọhapụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu n'agwụ. Ọ bụrụ na ha tapụrụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu n'agwụ, na ihe na-eme obodo a bụ Naịjirịa ka na-eme na-aga n'iru. M ga-arapụ gị ka ikirie ihe onyonyo a tupu anyị abịa wee kwuo okwu dị n'elie. Ndewo.
But for you, sir, you're a Biafra.
I'm a Biafra.
And Biafra must go.
Not must. Biafra is already on their own. That's why you people are holding my brother, because you know that we have already existed.
Okay.
All right.
So that is the solution to the.
Can you move the message to Tinubu?
Yes, that's what we are doing right now.
Tell him that there's one Mr. Come to pass.
Yeah, a Biafra living in Nigeria.
Biafra in a Biafra land. I don't know what
is this Biafra land, sir?
This is a Biafra land.
But Ikwere man will never agree. Say this.
Who is Ikwere man? Ikwere man is a Biafra man.
Ikwere man, no, they say this is.
Ikwere man is Biafra man. I don't need to go into argument.
Is Ikwere Igbo, sir?
Is it only Igbo that is Biafra?
Yes.
No.
Akwa Ibom man said they are not Biafra.
Akwa Ibom, is it an Igbo?
He said Edo Biafra too.
Edo is Biafra now.
So the south and the southeast is the Biafra.
I don't know where you call south or southeast. I say I am in Biafra land.
South consists of Edo, Benin.
We don't have anything like south in Biafra land.
Okay.
It's so-called Nigeria government that bring that politics in Biafra land. That this is southeast, this is south. Nothing like south. We are all one.
Okay.
So
but normal Ikwere man go say no be.
Who is Ikwere man? Ikwere man is a Biafra man.
They say they are from Edo State. They are south.
I don't know where they come from. I don't know.
So Port Harcourt is Ikwere is Biafra.
What are you talking? There's nothing like Port Harcourt. We call it Igwe Ọcha. So nothing like Port Harcourt. Igwe Ọcha is in Biafra land. All right.
So I can bring an Igbo man to come and argue Ikwere man to come and have this conversation.
Maybe that will depend on individual.
Okay.
You can claim that anywhere you come from. You may see an Igbo man, he tell you he's from Nigeria. You may see an Igbo man.
But
like
for you, sir, you're a Biafra.
I'm a Biafra.
And Biafra must go.
Not must. Biafra is already on their own. That's why you people are holding my brother, because you know that we have already existed.
Okay.
All right.
So that is the solution to Nigeria.
Can you move the message to Tinubu?
Yes, that's what we are doing right now.
Tell him that there's one Mr. John. He said that Biafra have already started existing.
All right. Thank you so much for that. Well, Mama, what's up now?
I'm leaving my problem like this.
I someone love the talk.
So what's up, man? How you doing now?
I'm cool.
How you be today?
I'm cool, my brother.
What is this up? Come on, how was Easter holiday?
Easter holiday is not fine. It's very rough holiday.
So tell us what's going on.
The bad government, the bad Tinubu government is not good. We are not enjoying the country anymore.
So since Tinubu don't come now, you know they enjoy this administration.
Since Tinubu come into power, there is no happiness, there is no joy. There's no joy in this country. Everywhere is brutal.
Everywhere is brutal.
Yes, everywhere is just condemned. Hunger, killings, people are dying, lose their people up and down because of the bad government that come in.
What is the solution to this problem?
The solution is for Biafra to go now.
So are you a Biafra?
I'm a full-time Biafra man.
Why do you want Biafra to go?
We should go and struggle our own struggle.
So this land where you did now, Biafra land?
This is Biafra land.
Port Harcourt here, Biafra land?
This is Biafra land.
So if Biafra go now, you go happy?
Yes.
Why Biafra?
Huh?
Why Biafra?
Because we are stronger people that can provide things on their own, that can do things well.
Other tribe in Nigeria, other citizens cannot do things well. Is that what
I don't know. I'm knowing about our own country, our own Biafra land country. That's
so Biafra must go.
Yes.
Thank you so much. God bless. What's up, my man? Tinubu, what's up?
What are you doing?
Tinubu, how you doing?
I can't talk now.
Please wear this. Okay, make her wear it myself. How you be now?
Thank God, Jerry.
Tinubu, our market.
Thank God.
Are you enjoying this administration?
I enjoy because of the real APC. I support my Senate president. It's our turn to rule.
You support Tinubu?
It is our father.
What will you say of this administration now?
What I see there is say, make Nigerian youth keep praying. God will change everything.
When?
Maybe by hustling, maybe by giri.
But it was promised that early January, we are in April now, that refinery will work.
Well, we see the plan to make sure say something dey equal.
So there is hope for...
There is hope for Nigeria. So I hear say Nigerian people.
Are you enjoying this Jagaban?
I enjoy the government, but what I see there, you know, say some people they para, some people they vex. But what I try to tell my people say, they don't vex. Say na good government they rule them.
Okay. Or na good government. This one na good government.
Yes, they rule them.
All right.
Confirm.
All right. Thank you. Nigeria divide.
Well, Nigeria plenty. Because only one person, you know, if you control this country.
So you suppose to do Arewa and
yes.
Kapeya.
Now three people where we know for Nigeria: Igbo, Yoruba, and Hausa. Make everybody go away. So
only solution, right?
Yes, but from my own understanding, I think the problem because they don't follow the leadership pattern of Goodluck and Yar'Adua. So, like I said, they follow the leadership, the pattern. Things for no be like this as in there now.
But people they cry before. Some youth go say dollar they go up, dollar they go up. Dollar don't come down now, but price of things still they very very expensive. Is it the problem now? Price don't come down now, but things dollar don't come down now, but price still they.
My brother, I don't know. I know those know because dollar was I think 47.15 something before, but tonight it's above 1,000. So even if things come down and with the disturbance of this Boko Haram and all these herdsmen, I believe I make things because the production of things may be still limited.
Because of insecurity.
Yes, insecurity. Exactly.
So a governmental problem.
Yes, exactly.
Is there a solution for Nigeria?
Yeah, there could be a solution if they will abide by people's voice. because some people are bringing good contribution, good opinion, but those who they for power, maybe they know they listen to what they cry for. If they go fix hear from us, because most of them they money where people 100 people carry, one person go carry and put for pocket, allow 99 people they cry, which is wrong now.
What you will come do to hold them accountable?
My brother, I know just know because they say make we pray. Like last 2 days, they say make we pray. We don't pray. I even last night yesterday, I never eat because people say I go add my own fasting. So if I they pray, they fast. I don't know whether I didn't know that affects them. Oh God, no, they hear my prayer. Whether I have my own sin, I don't know.
Your man say make Tinubu come down and hand over to P2B.
If that one go be the best, go make this good, and which I believe to make it, if you go try. I only say as the day, when people don't come, no like come down again.
Your people this morning talk saying that Biafra be the solution.
Yes, actually, because when our leader Nnamdi Kanu was agitated, he said people should control their resources. I believe if we control their resources, things not going to be like this. Because if you come for this side now, south, they control their resources. Common men go feel they get better thing they chop. So I believe 9.
We will divide Nigeria.
Yes. Yes, thank you.
Anabata nga ọzọ n'ihe onyonyo an ifula ihe ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ kwuru na ihe onyonyo an so ọ ga-aka mma ka onye ọbụla buru akpa ya n'isi wee laba n'ụlọ nna ya gaa nọye ebe ọ bi na ọchịchị obodo a abụgo ọchịchị onye kwuo sokwuo ya onye kwuo okwu anwụrụ ya wee kpuchie ifula ihe dị ndị mmadụ na-azụ ahịa n'akụkụ dị iche iche na mpaghara mba Naịjirịa na-ekwu fa na-asụ n'olu na-ekwuchikwa okwu ike wee na-ekwu ọ ga-adị mma ka onye ọbụla laba n'ụlọ ya ọtụtụ uwe n'ime ha wee kwuo si na ọchịchị ala enwere ihe ọ ga-achụta wee nye ụmụ mmadụ kọba na agụrụ ga-egbusi ọtụtụ ụmụ mmadụ n'oge na-adịghị anya na ndị na-achị ọchịchị mee ngwa ngwa ka ekesa obodo a ka onye ọbụla bụrụ oke ya wee laba nwanne onye na-ekiri m iche na ndị Naịjirịa ga-ekwe ka onye ọbụla wee bụrụ oke ya wee laba ngwa lee anya ebe na-ede ihe edemede wee deela anyị ihe bụ uche obi gị nwanne m gbaa mbọ ka ịtụsa vidio ma tinyekwere na ya aka n'igwe a nke a na-akpọ follow gbakwa mbọ ka ime ka ọ shọọ na ị na-atụsakwa ihe onyonyo a na ka ndị ọzọ na-ekirikwe ya ngwa anyị ga-ewetara gị akụkọ ọzọ oge na-adịghị anya